Hey travelers, welcome back to Kysersis, your travel guide for smarter, healthier, and more energized adventures. If you've ever landed in a new country feeling like a zombie, today's video is for you. We're breaking down how to avoid jet lag and stay energized when traveling. Let's jump in. First off, what even is jet lag? It's what happens when your internal body clock, your circadian rhythm, gets out of sync with a new time zone. Symptoms: fatigue, insomnia, irritability, brain fog. Sound familiar? The good news is you can fight it, and even prevent a lot of it, with some smart strategies. Tip number 1. Start adjusting early. A few days before your trip, shift your sleep schedule closer to your destination's time zone. If you're flying east, go to bed earlier. If you're flying west, stay up later. Gradual changes make a big difference. Next up, get plenty of sunlight. Natural light is one of the strongest cues for resetting your internal clock. As soon as you arrive, spend as much time outside as you can, especially in the morning. It helps your body adjust faster. Hydration is critical. Airplane cabins are incredibly dry, and dehydration can make jet lag worse. Drink lots of water before, during, and after your flight. Skip the alcohol and caffeine. They might seem tempting, but they mess with your sleep even more. Speaking of the flight, move around. Get up, stretch, walk the aisle every couple of hours. It keeps your blood circulating and helps your body feel less stiff and sluggish when you land. Here's a pro tip. Time your sleep on the plane to your destination. If it's nighttime where you're headed, try to sleep. If it's daytime, do your best to stay awake, even if it means powering through with some movies and snacks. If you need help sleeping on the plane, pack a sleep kit, neck pillow, eye mask, earplugs, and maybe a light blanket. Noise-canceling headphones and a calming playlist can work wonders too. Melatonin supplements can help if used carefully. Melatonin is a hormone your body produces naturally to regulate sleep. Taking a small dose about 30 minutes before your desired bedtime can gently nudge your body into adjusting faster. Check with your doctor first if you're unsure. Once you arrive, try your best to stay awake until at least early evening local time. Napping can be dangerous if it turns into full-on sleep. If you absolutely need a nap, keep it under 30 minutes. Fuel your body right. Eat light, healthy meals at the right local meal times. Heavy meals and junk food can weigh you down and confuse your body even more. Exercise helps too. Even a brisk walk or some light stretching after arrival can wake you up, boost circulation, and improve your mood. Bonus points if you can get that walk in under the morning sun. Let's talk mindset. Jet lag isn't just physical, it's mental. If you expect to feel awful, you probably will. Stay positive, be patient with yourself, and focus on the excitement of the trip rather than how tired you are. Traveling east versus west does matter. It's generally harder to travel east because you lose time, while traveling west gains you time. If you know you're heading east, be even more diligent about adjusting your schedule before departure. Short trip? If your trip is less than 3 days, sometimes it's better to just stay on your home time zone, especially if the time difference is minor. Save your body the stress of a full adjustment. Use apps to help. Tools like Timeshifter create a custom sleep and light exposure schedule based on your flight plan. It's like having a jet lag coach in your pocket. Wear comfortable, breathable clothes on your flight. Being physically comfortable makes it much easier to rest or stay awake when you need to. Manage your expectations on arrival day. Don't overschedule yourself. Keep it light. A little sightseeing, a nice meal, maybe an early night. Save the heavy activities for day 2 or 3 when your body has caught up. Try meditation or mindfulness techniques, especially if you're feeling anxious about sleep. Apps like Calm or Headspace have quick, travel-friendly sessions. Stay consistent. Once you adjust to the local schedule, stick to it as closely as possible. That means waking up, eating, and sleeping at consistent times, not giving in to random naps or meals at odd hours. If you find yourself awake in the middle of the night, don't panic. Get up, read a book, Do something relaxing and avoid screens. Blue light from phones and laptops can mess up your body clock even more. Speaking of screens, use blue light blockers if you have to use your devices before bed. Glasses or app filters can protect your melatonin production. Room environment matters too. Make your hotel room as sleep-friendly as possible. Blackout curtains, a cool temperature, and a white noise machine or app can help create the perfect sleep sanctuary. Sometimes, despite doing everything right, you'll still feel a little off for a day or two. That's okay. Listen to your body, stay hydrated, and ease into your adventure. Quick checklist for avoiding jet lag. Start adjusting your schedule early. Get natural light. Hydrate like crazy. Time your sleep and meals to the new zone. Move around. Stay positive. And don't forget, every traveler is different. What works for one person might not work for another. Experiment a little and find your rhythm. One last pro move. If you have a choice, try to land at your destination in the late afternoon or evening. It's much easier to push through a few hours and crash at bedtime than to land at sunrise and have to stay awake all day. Travel is supposed to be amazing, not exhausting. A few small adjustments can mean the difference between losing the first few days to jet lag and hitting the ground running. So, whether you're chasing sunsets across the Pacific or exploring castles across Europe, now you've got the tools to stay energized, feel great, and make the most of every moment. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, leave a comment with your best anti-jet lag tip, and don't forget to subscribe to Kysersis for more travel smart tips. Until next time, stay adventurous, stay energized, and remember, the world is waiting for you.